Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Beautiful.ai and Slidesgo. Beautiful.ai and Slidesgo. Which presentation tool reigns supreme? Are you tired of boring slides? Beautiful.ai and Slidesgo both promise gorgeous presentations, but which one actually saves your time? Let's compare. When it comes to the features of design power, Beautiful.ai has AI auto design slides, while Slidesgo has about 1,000 plus free templates. When it comes to customization, Beautiful.ai is limited but it's smart, while Slidesgo has a fully editable customization like PowerPoint. When it comes to AI features, Beautiful.ai has a magic slide builder, while Slidesgo only has basic editing. When it comes to what they are best for, Beautiful.ai is best for busy pros who hate designing, while Slidesgo is best for creatives who want full control. When it comes to their free plan, Beautiful.ai has no free plan, only paid plan, while Slidesgo has a free plan, but it comes with watermark. When it comes to price, Beautiful.ai, the price is $12 to $40 per month, while Slidesgo has a free plan and also has a paid plan that is a premium plan of $5 per month. So when it comes to secret weapon, Beautiful.ai has secret weapon of one-click makeover, while Slidesgo has trendy canvas style graphics. So who's the winner? It depends on you. Choose Beautiful.ai if you want slides that design themselves. Pick Slidesgo if you love customizing free templates. Now, Beautiful.ai is like a designer assistant, while Slidesgo is a template buffet or a template buffet. So Team Beautiful.ai or Team Slidesgo, which are you? Drop your pick in the comments. Hit like if you want a tutorial on both, and subscribe for more design tools battles. Hope you found this video helpful.